Bitcoin broke out to the downside right here in this rising wedge formation and is right now testing the uptrending support of the bigger triangle formation. In the bigger time frames, guys, Bitcoin is still looking bullish, but right here in the immediate short-term time frame, we are actually seeing some weak signals in the price of Bitcoin. Then, guys, we are going to have a look at Ethereum as well, because Ethereum has made a new all-time high yesterday, but yeah, since we've entered price discovery, the price wasn't that strong actually, and right now we are trading back below the all-time high. So guys, drop a like, leave your comment down below. With that being said, my name is Jeroen. Welcome to the Blockchain Today, the channel where you subscribe for daily crypto videos. And right now, let's jump into the Bitcoin price action. And guys, before we are zooming in right here on the Bitcoin price, let's all take a minute with all of us, scroll below this video and hit the thumbs up button. Guys, that would be so much appreciated. We are going really good with the YouTube channel right now, and we want to keep up with this pace. So guys, that would be awesome. So when we have a look at Bitcoin right now at the shorter term time frame, right here in the 1 hour time frame, then in yesterday's video, I've been telling to you guys that yeah, we might be forming a rising wedge pattern right here, which essentially is a bearish pattern. So the likelihood that we're breaking out to the downside right here is higher than breaking out to the upside. However, Bitcoin is in such a strong uptrend, which also brings the likelihood or brings the chance that we could break out to the upside. And guys, we had some heavy horizontal resistance above us, which is the golden ratio Fibonacci level. And as you can see right here, we got rejected from this level multiple times, and right now as well, yeah, Bitcoin couldn't break decisively above this level, and that was the reason where we eventually saw a fake out from this uptrending resistance, and eventually we come down and we broke the support of this rising wedge. And the moment when Bitcoin broke the support of the rising wedge pattern, we saw a further drop to the downside. And of course, the target of a rising wedge pattern, guys, is the bottom of the wedge right here. But we have something very important coming in between right now, which is the uptrending support of this bigger triangle formation, where we literally can see a breakout from any day right now. And Bitcoin right now is testing the support of this bigger triangle formation. And is it possible that right now we could be trying to see a breakout to the downside? Yes, that's definitely possible, because right here, as you can see, we tried to break the golden ratio Fibonacci level, but we had a failed attempt of breakout, which is actually showing us that the price of Bitcoin is looking very weak right here in the immediate short-term time frame. Because even though we saw a bounce from the support right here, the price wasn't strong enough to came all the way up to the resistance of the triangle formation. No, we're already seeing a reversal beforehand. So that is actually a weak sign in the immediate short-term time frame. However, guys, I do want to emphasize the fact that we are still seeing higher lows in the chart. So we created a low right here. We have a higher low. Here we are seeing a higher low. This is a higher low. And right here, so far we still have a higher low. So right now in all these time frames, Bitcoin is actually still in an uptrend, because we are still setting higher lows. However, we are seeing some weakness in the price right here in the immediate short-term time frame, due to the fact that we had a failed attempt of breakout right here at the neckline, the Fibonacci golden ratio, and we couldn't come up, the price couldn't come up to the resistance of the triangle formation, and already reversed beforehand, which is showing weakness in the price. Then for every one of you who is interested in trading Bitcoin with the coming volatility and the coming breakout of the triangle formation, in my pinned comment down below, I'm recommending 3 exchanges. And if you sign up on one of these exchanges using my affiliate link down below, you can get an additional bonus. And guys, right now there's a special bonus going on the Bybit exchange, which is a limited bonus and will end at the beginning of February. And right now, if you sign up using my affiliate link down below, you can get an additional bonus of $620, which is quite a unique bonus, guys. And we are not seeing that often with Bybit. So for everyone who wants to create an account on Bybit, right now is definitely a good opportunity, to create your account and to take advantage of this bigger bonus. So guys, for all the traders who are interested in signing up to one of these platforms, I have all my affiliate links down below in the pinned comment. And guys, when we have a look at the 50 moving average on the 4-hour time frame, then we can see that Bitcoin broke below this level. We had a 4-hour close below this level, and if this level is going to act as resistance, that will increase the likelihood that we are going to see a breakout to the downside, because this is indicating that we could be transitioning into a downtrend. However, guys, right now the 50 moving average on the 4-hour time frame is already going sideways for some time, and the moment when these moving averages are going sideways, they're getting less significant. So that's important to take in mind when we are seeing right here the break below the 50 moving average on the 4-hour time frame. Then guys, when we have a look at the daily time frame, Bitcoin is testing a major level, which is the 20-day moving average. And some of you will maybe watch the 21 daily or the 21 EMA. I'm looking right now at the 20 daily moving average. But if I get rid of the drawings right here, then you can see that Bitcoin literally right now is testing this level. And yeah, most of the time in the past, if we were to see a daily close below this level, then that is actually a bearish sign, showing us that we might be going into a downtrend right here on the daily time frame. And if we have a look at this specific price action, then it actually looks a lot like the top we have seen in 2019. And I've been mentioning this before on the channel, guys, but let's go to the top in 2019 right here. We have also seen Bitcoin topping out at approximately 13,800. We came back, get supported by the 20-day moving average. We had a bounce off from it, came back to the 20-day moving average. We had another bounce off from it, and eventually we broke below it, and that was the start, or that was the sign that we were going to see a bigger correction. Right now we are seeing something similar. However, we haven't seen a daily close below this level. So that's going to be interesting, guys, what is going to happen today or within the next days. Can we get a daily close below the 20 daily moving average? Then that is definitely a bearish sign until we breaking back above it. But yeah, guys, it is as well possible to get a bounce from this level, and yeah, that Bitcoin is still going to continue this uptrend. However, right now is really a decisive moment for Bitcoin. What are you going to do? Are you going to break below, or are we going to see a bounce? Then guys, let's go to Ethereum in the US dollar comparative, because Ethereum has been very bullish. We have been setting a new all-time high right here on the Bitstamp chart. The previous all-time high was at approximately 1,414 US dollars. And right here we have set a new high at approximately 1,440 US dollars. So that's actually quite nice. Ethereum went into price discovery right here on this chart. However, yeah, it didn't last it for that long. We already right now trading back below the previous all-time high. So that is something to take in mind. If we bring out the RSI, then it looks like we could be forming a bearish divergence right here. The price is setting a higher high, but in the RSI we are not seeing that back yet. So this is something slightly bearish, or showing some weakness in the bullish momentum right here in Ethereum. And I also think if Bitcoin were to break out to the downside out of this triangle formation, then I think the chances that Ethereum will grow in the US dollar comparative are actually kind of slim. So that means that if Bitcoin were to see a decisive breakout to the downside, I do think that we are going to see some blood in the Ethereum markets well in the US dollar comparative, because it is still possible that if Bitcoin is going to break out to the downside, that liquidity still will provide enough to Ethereum that we can see Ethereum gain in the Bitcoin comparative, but still losing value in the US dollar comparative. But that Bitcoin is losing value in the dollar comparative in a faster pace than that we are seeing with Ethereum. Because if we have a look at Ethereum against Bitcoin, then the chart is actually looking quite bullish and is showing us that Ethereum just wants to stay in this uptrend in the Bitcoin comparative. We just have been broken above the middle of the uprising channel right here, which is as well a very bullish sign, and it's also a level that has been very much respected in the past. We can see it right here. It has been acting as support. The moment we broke below it, we saw a further decline. Here we can see a price confluence in this level right here as well. Right here we can see as well resistance and support. Here it's supported, and yeah, right now we have a decisive break above this level. We are seeing a daily close above this level, and we just have a nice reaction in the price. So this is showing us that, most likely Ethereum in the Bitcoin comparative wants to continue this uptrend. And guys, a potential pattern that we are seeing right here where Ethereum broke out from is a inverse head and shoulders pattern, which makes a lot of sense if you ask me. We have a neckline right here. Then here we have the left shoulder, right here we have the head, and right here we have the right shoulder. And guys, the reason why this pattern makes so much sense is because this pattern is a reversal pattern, which means that from this downtrend right here, from the rejection, from the resistance, this downtrend, this pattern could be a transition to a uptrend due to the fact that it is a reversal pattern. And right now we have been breaking above the neckline right here, and that is just very bullish, because if we were to measure the target of this inverse head and shoulders pattern, then we take the neckline, from the neckline till the head right here approximately, put at the point of breakout, then that would bring the target of Ethereum almost exactly right here at the resistance of the uprising channel. So that is showing us a lot of significance with the confluence, with the target of the pattern and the bigger channel that Ethereum is trading in. So that is actually very important, which would be a Ethereum price of 0.04647 Bitcoin per Ethereum. So guys, this would actually make a lot of sense, and right now I do think that Ethereum in the Bitcoin comparative is just looking bullish. However guys, it can still be bullish when Bitcoin break out to the downside. Then it's just a matter that Ethereum against the US dollar should lose less value than Bitcoin against the US dollar. So we should see a bigger drop with Bitcoin in the US dollar comparative than with Ethereum in the US dollar comparative. Then for every one of you who is interested in trading Bitcoin with the coming volatility and the coming breakout of the triangle formation, in my pinned comment down below I'm recommending 3 exchanges, and if you sign up on one of these exchanges using my affiliate link down below, you can get an additional bonus. And guys, right now there's a special bonus going on the Bybit exchange, which is a limited bonus and will end at the beginning of February. And right now, if you sign up using my affiliate link down below, you can get an additional bonus of $620, which is quite a unique bonus, guys. And we are not seeing that often with Bybit. So for everyone who wants to create an account on Bybit, right now is definitely a good opportunity, to create your account and to take advantage of this bigger bonus. And the other exchanges that I'm using is, of course, the Prime XBT platform, where you can trade Bitcoin, S&P 500, but where you can as well copy other traders and earn based on their trades. Right now, if you sign up using my affiliate link, you can get a 50% deposit bonus up to 1 Bitcoin. And guys, we have the Femex exchange, which is an awesome exchange to trade Bitcoin and a variety of altcoins with leverage, but as well as on the spot market with 0% fees. And right now, if you sign up using my affiliate link down below and you would deposit 0.2 Bitcoin, you can get an additional bonus of $100. So guys, for all the traders who are interested in signing up to one of these platforms, I have all my affiliate links down below in the pinned comment. So guys, we are really in exciting times with Bitcoin right now, and we are going to see a massive move from this triangle formation, and that massive move could either come today, it also can come within the next days. And guys, I want to give you a couple of signals which you can use to confirm the breakout right here in the Bitcoin price. And first of all, I want to bring out the RSI on the daily time frame, because we have a very clear uptrending support right here in the RSI, and I think if we were to break this support decisively right here, then that could definitely confirm the fact that we are going to see a breakout to the downside. And something similar we are actually seeing on the 4-hour time frame. Let's go to the 4-hour time frame. We have a triangle formation right here in the RSI, which is aligning with the triangle formation that we are seeing in the chart. We have a uptrending support right here, and we have a declining resistance. And I do think, guys, that the moment we are going to see a decisive break from the triangle formation in the RSI, then that could signal us as well what is going to happen in the price, where the momentum is going to go. If we are going to see a break of this resistance, then that is definitely showing us that the bullish momentum is stepping into the price right now. If we were to break the uptrending support, then that is definitely showing us that right now the RSI is choosing for the bearish momentum. So guys, these are 2 signals you can use to confirm whether we are going to see a breakout to the upside or to the downside. Right now, as you can see, Bitcoin is still getting supported by the uptrending support right here in this triangle formation. In the immediate short-term time frame, we are seeing some weakness in the price, right? A failed attempt of breakout above the Fibonacci golden ratio, and the bounce so far from the support didn't lead to the price coming back up to the resistance, but we already have seen a reversal beforehand. So guys, this is showing some weakness. However, it is very important to realize that on most time frames, Bitcoin is still like making higher lows. So in that case, we are actually still in a uptrend. And guys, we are getting getting these signs as well that Bitcoin right now is trading below the 20 hourly moving average and below the 50 moving average on the 4-hour time frame, which is showing some weakness as well. But guys, I do want to say that in a sideways action right here, as we're seeing with Bitcoin, these moving averages are getting less significance, because in the price we are still seeing higher lows, which in fact means just basically that we are still in a uptrend. But yeah, that can change of course very quickly. We have to watch the Bitcoin chart right here, we have to watch the signs in the RSI, and very importantly guys, we also have to be watching the Dixie chart, because the Dixie chart has been a great chart indicating when Bitcoin is going to see a top and when Bitcoin is going to see a bottom. And guys, the Dixie right now, if we have a look at the Dixie, is actually looking bullish for Bitcoin, because we have been talking about a potential inverse head and shoulders right here, where we have a neckline which has been tested before right here as support. After we break below it, this neckline has been acting as resistance, and we have a clear left shoulder right here, a head in the middle, and a right shoulder right there. We had a breakout of the neckline to the upside, which is a bullish sign, but yeah, eventually we were to come down right here, and I've said that yeah, most likely if we are going to see a bounce of this neckline, that is bullish, and yeah, we could still reach the target of this inverse head and shoulders. However, if we were to break below this neckline, that is actually a bearish sign, showing us that this pattern is actually invalidated and that the US dollar index might see lower levels. Guys, if this is the case, what we are seeing right now, then that is definitely a bullish sign for Bitcoin and could strengthen the case that we are going to break out to the upside. But okay guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed today's analysis, and guys, I hope you all be getting some value out of the signals that I'm presenting right here in these videos. And if you are getting some value out of it guys, please all take a minute, scroll below this video and show that with a huge thumb up down below guys. That would be so amazing. Then for everybody who wants to trade Bitcoin, who wants to trade the breakout right here from the bigger triangle formation, I would definitely recommend you to use the Bybit exchange, because right now we have this massive bonus going on where you can get 620 US dollar bonus. If you want to sign up on Bybit, or you want to sign up on one of the other platforms that I'm personally using myself, you can find all my affiliate links down below in the pinned comment. Then guys, for every single one of you who wants to take the next step into that trading journey and wants to get a better understanding of the cryptocurrency markets, you can sign up for my cryptocurrency trading course. More information at theblockchaintoday.com. I have a link to my website down below in the description as well. Then guys, I wish every single one of you an amazing day, and for every one of you who hasn't seen one of my amazing tutorials, you can go over there, watch one of those, and I will see all of you in the next video.